Welcome back to the WP Week. Welcome to episode 116, your weekly deep dive into everything happening in the WordPress world. From headline-making updates to behind-the-scenes changes, we've got the stories, trends, and insights to keep you in the loop. Today's episode is sponsored by Kinsta 20i and WP Job Openings plugin. Kinsta delivers lightning-fast load times, enterprise-grade security, and automatic daily backups powered by Google Cloud's premium tier network. 20i are redefining WordPress hosting, combining their auto-scaling cloud platform with high-frequency CPUs for exceptional speed and reliability. Plus, you get integrated staging, WordPress Manager, CDN, and caching, no plugins required. And WP Job Openings is the easiest way to set up a professional career page and start accepting applications in just minutes. This week in WordPress, Dion Hulse announced a major change in how plugin updates will be rolled out for those using release confirmation. The new phased release process will send updates to a smaller subset of sites first, holding back automatic updates for 24 hours. This window gives active users time to flag potential issues before updates go live across all sites. In accessibility news, Ryan Rietveld provided an update on the WP Accessibility Docs project. Phase 1 will create a dedicated accessibility knowledge base for all accessibility content, while the current accessibility handbook will focus solely on team processes. In Phase 2, a new accessibility handbook section will appear on developers.wordpress.org, populated from the knowledge base. The first ever WordPress Campus Connect in Southeast Asia took place on July 25, 2025 at Finma Cagayan de Oro College in the Philippines, attracting over 100 students, staff, and community members. Meanwhile, the Polyglots team reported 208 locales, with 69 fully up-to-date and 37 at 100% translation, an increase of 4 from last week. Translation contributors grew by 201 to a total of 78,266, with over 57% of WordPress sites now running in a translated version. WooCommerce 10.1, releasing on August 11, 2025, brings changes to session management and cron jobs. All cron jobs will now run through the action scheduler for better reliability, and logged-in user sessions will only be stored in the session table for a maximum of 30 days. Developers can adjust durations via filters, but anything above the cap will be reduced with a warning logged. Security made headlines as a critical PHP object injection vulnerability in the Everest Forms plugin, affecting over 100,000 sites, was patched. The flaw, which scored 9.8 on the CVSS scale, affected older PHP versions and allowed attackers to inject malicious objects when admins viewed form submissions. An updated version has been released with the fix. Beyond WordPress, Google announced that from September 3rd, advertisers using the Google Ads API and scripts must self-declare EU political ads or risk blocked updates and failed calls. John Mueller also advised small businesses to favor distinctive brand names over generic keyword domains for better search ranking. OpenAI has rolled out GPT-5 to all ChatGPT users, promising greater accuracy, instruction adherence, and long-form reasoning capabilities. Ecosia and Quant have teamed up to launch a European search index, starting in France, to reduce dependency on US-based providers. In the community, WordFence launched the WordPress SQL Explorer Challenge, which runs until September 22nd, offering a 20% bonus bounty for valid SQL injection vulnerability, submissions in plugins and themes with at least 25 active installs. Jeff Chandler stirred discussion about the state of WordPress a year after WCUS 2024. Brad Williams asked if WP Tavern was for sale, prompting Matt Mullenweg to say he's open to new writers and editors. The Groundhog CRM plugin has been removed from the repository for trademark infringement, and PatchStack introduced Rapid Mitigate, a JSON-based high-precision vulnerability mitigation system designed to minimize false positives. On the project front, several new tools have emerged. Gift Message for Woo adds professional gift message features to WooCommerce. ToolboxWP, created by Devinder Singh, is now live as a resource hub for WordPress professionals. TableMaster for Elementor enables drag-and-drop table building. ClickTalk by Dave Gray helps track task time directly in the dashboard for accurate billing. Contributor Photo Gallery by Sati Syam Vishwakarma showcases WordPress.org photo contributions in responsive grids. WP Made highlights outstanding WordPress-built websites, and RT Camp has released Web Auditor for instant site performance audits and live optimization experiments. That wraps up this week's episode of the WP Week podcast. Thanks for listening to the WP Week podcast, sponsored by Kinsta, 20i, and WP Job Openings. Stay tuned, stay updated, and as always, keep contributing to make WordPress better for everyone.